morning. Welcome back to the Colorado Alpine channel. We are out this morning to do a little grouse hunting with the boy, Mr. Ruger. So let's go see if we can find some grouse.
Good boy. What is that? Can you carry him?
Can you take it?
Can you get him?
Get him.
Get him. Come on, carry him. Let's go. Come on. Come on, get him. Grab him.
Yep.
Grab him. Just shot my first game bird. Got a grouse, and there was two of them, but the other one went off real fast, so could only get a shot at one. But it was really awesome. Got him with the one shot. But our tactic today is just to do what we just did, which was kind of drive the road. And if we see some right off the road, we'll pull off and try to get a shot off, or try to spook them into a tree where we can get a shot. Kind of a busy day on the mountain. There was a couple trucks, which is not usual, but hopefully they don't scare all the grouse off the road. We're on to some more. Hopefully we find some more. This is the section where we saw like 12 the other day, so hopefully they will be back. Grouse road shuffle. Got another grouse up the road, so we're gonna go get one. All right, KK's turn. Let's just walk down through this stuff a little bit. Okay, got another one. Went to the left this time. Clean miss. She kind of scoped herself without a scope. Little midday update. We only have bagged one bird so far. KK shot and had a clean miss on a bird. Another one got away on her, and then another one with my first bird got away as well. So we are headed back down the mountain, maybe going to a different spot, try to find some more. It's getting kind of warm midday, so not sure if they're really out, but we'll still give it a shot. Busy mountain today too. Lots of people archery hunting for deer and elk, and then some people hunting for bears. Not so many people hunting grouse.
Yeah.